Imagine stepping on board a yacht and realizing you don't want to go ashore anymore. No hotel, no villa, no city apartment waiting for you, because everything you need to live already moves with you. And in the next few minutes, you'll understand why this yacht isn't about travel, it's about replacement. This is ALTARA, a 107-meter floating estate valued at $470 million, conceived not simply to cross oceans, but to replace the world you leave behind. Private cinema, wellness complex, indoor gardens, gym, cigar and whiskey lounge, hydrotherapy pools, and interiors that feel closer to a private resort in Monaco than a vessel at sea. Today, we step inside every space that makes ALTARA one of the most complete luxury yachts ever envisioned. This is not a tour, it's an experience. Before stepping inside, ALTARA needs to be understood, because she doesn't announce herself, she arrives. There is no aggression in her profile, no sharp edges seeking attention. Instead, her presence unfolds, calm, measured, inevitable. The decks cascade aft in broad, sculpted terraces, more reminiscent of a modern cliffside residence than a yacht. Glass wraps each level, dissolving boundaries between interior and horizon. Teak decks catch the lowering sun, warming to a soft, golden glow. Nothing here is accidental. Every overhang is designed to cast shade. Every curve protects privacy. Every line draws the eye naturally toward the sea. At the stern, ALTARA opens completely. A private beach club suspended above the water. Loungers, open seating, water-level terraces designed for slow mornings, long conversations, and evenings where silence becomes the luxury. And then, the helipad. Unhidden, unapologetic, positioned forward exactly where it belongs. Because ALTARA is not designed to be discovered quietly at the dock. She's designed to be arrived at from above, rotors fading, doors opening, the ocean already waiting. ALTARA is designed around flow. Every space connects logically, yet feels emotionally distinct. And it all begins inside. The main salon doesn't attempt to impress. It simply settles you. Wall-to-wall glass draws the ocean directly into the room, bathing the space in natural light. Neutral textures, pale woods, and calm tones quiet the senses. Furniture sits low and generous, designed for living, not posing. This is not a room to pass through. It's a space to inhabit. Long conversations, unrushed moments, the sea drifting past just beyond the glass. The scale is unmistakable. Ceiling height, symmetry, openness. It doesn't feel like a yacht. It feels like a private penthouse that happens to move. Step forward and the atmosphere shifts. This is ALTARA's formal dining room, intimate or grand, depending on the evening. A table that feels sculpted rather than placed. Lighting designed to flatter, never dominate. And a crucial detail, this space is intentionally separated from the salon, because here, dining becomes an event, not an extension. Behind the scenes, the chef's galley operates with the precision of a fine restaurant. Professional-grade equipment, silent workflows, designed entirely around crew efficiency. You never see the effort, you only experience the result. Now we arrive at ownership, because this is where ALTARA becomes personal. The master suite spans the yacht's full beam, opening wide to the horizon. You wake to ocean views without lifting your head, light filtering softly through sheer curtains. A private lounge sits within the suite, finished in materials that feel residential, never nautical. This is not a cabin, it is a retreat. The ensuite bathroom continues the experience. A sculpted soaking tub positioned directly against the sea, floor-to-ceiling glass framing open water like a living artwork. Stone surfaces, indirect lighting, and a spa-like calm that invites you to slow down. The walk-in wardrobe is boutique level. Custom shelving, gentle illumination, and space that respects a life of choice. And beyond that, a private reading room, a place to disappear. No screens, no noise, just the ocean and time. ALTARA does not believe in second-class guests. She offers 4 full guest suites, each designed as a private residence, never an afterthought. Soft, neutral interiors, ocean-facing windows, generous layouts that breathe. Every suite is paired with its own spa-style ensuite bathroom. Stone finishes, rainfall showers, warm lighting, and custom vanities executed to hotel standards. Privacy is complete. Comfort is consistent. Nothing feels shared. Nothing feels compromised. On ALTARA, guests are not accommodated. They are welcomed. Above it all, the bridge is where precision lives. A clean, intuitive layout, advanced navigation systems, designed for confident, long-range cruising. This is where ALTARA becomes more than beautiful. She becomes capable. Move higher, and time begins to stretch. The observation lounge wraps you in glass, a circular sanctuary suspended above the sea. Plush seating follows the curve of the horizon, encouraging you to sit and remain. Light changes here. Silence deepens. This is where storms approach from miles away, where sunsets feel cinematic, where the ocean becomes the only screen that matters. This is not just a lounge, it is a moment designed. Below decks, ALTARA reveals another dimension, a private cinema, tiered seating, perfect acoustics, controlled, immersive lighting. Films feel different here because the world is already far away. Nearby, a dedicated gaming room, private, immersive, acoustically tuned. Because modern luxury is not about rules, it is about choice. Step next door, and the tempo slows once more. Leather seating, humidor-controlled air, whiskey displays glowing softly in low light. This is where conversations linger, where decisions are made quietly, where tradition meets the ocean. This is where ALTARA draws her clearest line, not indulgence, restoration. A complete wellness sanctuary at sea, a sauna glowing in warm timber, an ice bath sharp enough to reset every sense. Hydrotherapy pools designed for calm, not spectacle. A massage suite that slows your breathing, a yoga studio framed by open water, a full gym where the ocean becomes your training partner. Woven throughout, living gardens, real plants, natural stone, warm wood, life growing at sea. On ALTARA, wellness is not an amenity, it is a philosophy. ALTARA is not trying to be the largest yacht in the world, she is trying to be the most complete. A yacht where you don't feel like you're on vacation, you feel like you've relocated your life onto the ocean. My verdict: at $470 million, ALTARA is not about excess. She's about balance, entertainment without chaos, wellness without boredom, luxury without intimidation. This is a yacht for an owner who values experience over ego. Someone who doesn't need to announce arrival, because presence speaks louder. ALTARA is not a status symbol. She's a statement of how to live. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe if you enjoy this world. See you on the next voyage.